Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Messenger conversation background. Follow these easy steps to easily change your Messenger chat background or theme. So currently I'm on my iPhone. You can follow these same steps on your Android phone. Launch the Messenger app and so go to the conversation where you want to change background or theme and then tap on the chat name at the top and tap on theme. And here you will get bunch of different themes or background. You can select any of them. Just tap on the theme that you want to set, tap on select, and here we can see my chat background has been changed. And to set a solid color for the chat, here just scroll down all the way to the bottom and here you will find colors and gradients. From these available colors you can pick any color for your chat. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.